Hi, today I will show you two websites that can create a professional and good-looking social media profile picture for you. The first website is pfpmaker.com. To get started, click on Upload Photo button and select your image, and it will start generating profile pictures. As you can see, website generated a lot of beautiful and professional profile pictures. You can also save these photos in your computer or mobile to use it everywhere you like. Now, if you want to save profile picture you liked, just click on the photo you want, and click on Download button and the photo will be saved to your computer or phone. This website also provide a cover image related to your profile picture. If you want to download cover image, click on the I button, and it will show some cover images. Select the image you like and click on Download button to save it to your storage. Now let's move to the second website. The second website is picofme.io. To get started with second website, just click on Upload Your Photo button and select the photo you want to use. After selecting your photo, the website will start generating your photos. In this website you can also edit your photo, like if you want to change colors, border, or background, etc. Now, if you want to edit your photo, then select picture you like and click on Edit button. From here, you can customize your picture. You can change canvas, borders, colors, and background, etc. Now, if you want to download your picture, just click on the Download PNG button and you will be able to save your profile picture to your computer. I hope you will like the video. Make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos.